spicy, easy chicken tagine. We're getting a tagine warm over medium-high heat. Now, do you need a tagine to make a tagine? No. All you need is a Dutch oven, which most of us have, right? So we want a good, strong, even heat pot. The heavier the pot, the more even the heat will stay. And tagine, it's just got this wonderful system of catching all of the steam inside the dish. And the reason it's shaped this way is that the liquids then fall back down into the dish. For the chicken, it had to start several hours ago or the night before, ideally. Here is how I built what's on this chicken. This is bone in, skin on, 4 breasts, 4 thighs. Actually, it's 4 pieces of breast that I cut in half. We took 2 tablespoons of pimenton or smoked paprika. That's smoked sweet paprika. A tablespoon or so, or a palmful of turmeric. 2 teaspoons each of best buddies here. They go everywhere together. Cumin and coriander. And then 1 teaspoon of a little hot pepper. I used Espelette, or you can use cayenne. Most folks have cayenne right in their pantry. So either or on that one. And then we added about a tablespoon or so, fat tablespoon, of a combination of lemon and orange zest. So let's start by browning the chicken. Just don't overcrowd the pan. You do not want this to sweat. We want to brown it first and get some color on the skin. Okay, guys, our chicken is now browned. We're going to pull the browned pieces out, and now we're going to add in the carrots and the onion. Just a little salt to get their juices flowing. And we're doing this right in the drippings and all of the spices from the chicken that have stuck to the bottom there. Once the onions and carrots begin to sweat, we're now protected in a way to add the garlic and the ginger without singeing the garlic. Now we're going to add in the tiniest drizzle of honey, like a teaspoon will do ya. This is acacia honey. We're going to add in about a cup of Moroccan olives. You can use any olive you like, green or black. And now we're going to add in about a cup and a half to 2 cups of chicken stock or bone broth. That's the braising part, right? And now we're going to slide the chicken right down in there and try and nest it into those cooking liquids. Of course, don't waste any of the drippings from the chicken itself. And now we bring back to a boil, then cover, and cook about 45 minutes to an hour at a good simmer. I do just above low, and just let it do its thing and get all those natural juices combined. Again, the lid is going to help you a lot because it will keep redistributing the moisture in the pot back down in. For the couscous, all we have to do is turn this on and bring it to a boil. I'm going to add my spices now, my palmful of vin rouge, my granulated garlic, onion, ground cumin and coriander. And when that comes to a boil, all you do is add 1 can of chickpeas, 1 box of couscous, plain couscous, 10 ounces. Turn it off, put a lid on, and let it stand 10 minutes. So I just put together a little melange, a little mix of mint, dill, parsley, and cilantro to garnish, well, your choice of the couscous or the chicken. We're going to put it in the vin rouge couscous with chickpeas. And again, this takes 10 minutes. It just stands on the stove once it comes to a boil. Now we're going to transfer that to a serving dish. Look at that white and dark meat chicken and that beautiful melange of spice that we made with the paprika, the cumin, the coriander. Oh my God, it smells insane.